Hi there. So the purpose of today's video is actually to have an experience and install 14.4-inch screen on my car. I have Ford F150 2016 year make. So I'm going to upgrade my Sync 1 to 14.4 screen Tesla, and I'm going to share my experience. I will not go to the details how to install and connect the wires. You will see like fast moving video how I did that. But the purpose of the video actually to share with you, is it like possible for regular user like me to install this kind of screen, and how long should it take from me to install this, and what kind of difficulties I'm going to face during this installation. So if you like this, you might find the code actually for this screen in the comments and description for this video. Yeah, so if you buy this code, it will help for the channel to grow, so join me. This is a 14.4 screen Tesla from Autotech, and I choose them just because they provide some support. Even like during the purchasing process, I was asking different questions and they were available online support, so I was receiving the very quick feedback on my questions and support. So I got it probably in like 3-4 days. I got the screen, and which was like pretty quick one. So like a spoiler, I have it installed already, so it's already here, and so that's why I'm going to share did you go for this option or not. All right, so let's see how it works. All right, so today we're going to check how difficult is uninstall the existing panel and change it with the Tesla screen. Okay, so I'm going right now to trying to disassemble this one, to disconnect it from the car, then replace some part of that. One of that is going to be sync model, second one is going to be radio model. So I'm going to connect that, actually not the radio model, is going to be climate model. Climate is going to be connected to the new one, and then I'm going to try to assemble it back, and I will give you feedback how difficult is it per existing video given by the supplier of this 40-inch screen. Okay, let's go, let's check that. Alright, here we go. So I was able to disassemble the panel. What I'm going to do, I'm going to picture each particular wire I'm going to disconnect. Later on, to make this in the same order, I will be capable to connect them back. So I'm going to picture first all the panel and whole connection there. So actually I have here, since I have Sync 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 connection only, which I believe is going to be maybe easier, because for some more advanced like Sync 3 I've seen, and actually 2 of them are buttons. So I spent some time to disconnect these 2 buttons actually for off and for this one emergency, and I found there is a small pin there. You need to put the finger actually by nail, and then you can switch it on. So that was a little bit confusing for me, but then yeah, I was able to disconnect the whole panel there. So that it was like 4 connection. I think this is main connection and this is button connection. I'm going to disconnect right now 2 things, my sync and my CD model. And the new manual I've got with the device, it was said actually that there is no need any longer to connect CD model. So I'm going to disconnect both of them and take them with me. Alright, so sync model is disconnected. This is our, well, I believe this is our screen, which we need to disassemble with our sync model. I need to picture that. Alright. This model is done. Alright, so this is our FMC model. Okay, this is our USB. Okay, let's try to reconnect it back. Hey, what's up? So today we're going to install our new panel to our Ford. So I make some homework. I installed here. Actually, I transfer here the climate model, and I also transfer here. That's it. Actually, only climate model. It's here right now. I disassemble. I remove some and transfer here some clips. So I'm going to try to install it over here, having these wires available with the kit and with a new screen. So let's see how it goes and my feedback on that. How long should it take for me to install all of these wires and connect them. Alright, so I switch it on. I see it works. I don't see climate. This option I have manual climate, so it works from these buttons. But in the system I don't see it works here. So if I go here, I can't see all the configuration over here. So it's like I see it blank. So probably I didn't connect all the wires yet. I need to check what is there. So I check the radio. Radio works right now. At least it gives some sound, which I need to check later how it works there. So I was able to check my camera. So if I go to AUX, so at least I see it camera works as well, which is good. So I think I need to spend some time which I need to connect the buttons right now and see if I have lose some wires there or not. So we have installed our new screen. It fits pretty well, if you see. Alright, so let's check it out, how it works. The boot time. Alright, switch on pretty fast. Alright. So this is the main screen. Navigation is here. Radio, which I need to configure, but anyway, volume works from here. Alright, so if we go here, car after, which proposes us or Android or iPhone connection, and you'll configure that later on. So Bluetooth, all these settings here, which I'll do I think separate video on this one, how it works. So this is general settings. I would say we can go and see the system, like upgrade. Right, so these are kind of upgrades available. I'm not sure what is this, need to learn that better. Software version, which shows us that I think this is different models over here, and Android. I've seen somewhere it's like latest version is 11 here, which is installed right now here. Okay, so it's pretty it. It took me, I think, 3 hours, maybe like three hours and a half. So I spent maybe 1 hour to uninstall, disassemble whole the system, the old one. Then about 1 hour actually to connect the new one. So like maybe 1 hour and a half. And also I spent about 1 hour actually to transfer some stuff from the old one to the new one. I did it at home, so I have some short video on this one. I didn't go to details because on the YouTube video you can find a lot of how to do these things. So the purpose of this video actually used to be my experience, how long it take and how real for for regular user like me, not advanced, to install this 14.4 inch screen on my own without using anyone else. And I think it's doable. So there are some good videos on YouTube available how you can do this. But what I like actually, the connection and the wires, all of the wires, they go only one way only. So you don't have any choice like to put it here or there. No, they fit only one actually connection, which I like. So you want just like to be more focused and accurate how you connect that to make these clicks and all this stuff. But in the rest, like it's pretty much doable, I would say. And would I do this next time? Yes, I think so, because it looks like it works. So on my actually for my screen, I still have an option for for upgrade. So I order also the camera, front and the rear camera. I have rear camera, but I ordered it from supplier actually HD camera, and I also have modules to install SIM card there. So I don't use it right now, but later on probably I will install the antenna for this one. I still have it available with me. So I think it would be cool to install this as well. But as for now, I'm going to use my phone as a hotspot for Wi-Fi connection, and the Tesla screen is going to be used mainly for driving, having like maps available there, having music available there. So yeah, I will prepare another video about this one for usability of the screen, main feature, how it works. I will probably apply some launcher, maybe Nova launcher or something else, and explain you how it works. All right, so thank you for watching. See you next time.